Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to accept an admin invite on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. Once you get into your account, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from Settings, tap on your Page Settings. After that, scroll down in Page Settings. Then, you will find the Page Access option right here. You can see to whom you provide the admin access. Now let's switch to the other account you provided access to. Log out of your current account and get into your other account. Then, go into the notifications icon from the bottom bar. And as you can see, you received your admin access notification. Tap to review invitation from here. Then tap on Next and accept your review invitation. After that, you will get access to the page in your account. All you need to do is simply tap on Switch Account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.